Generally about 2/10 of an inch to 3/10 of an inch here in the bluegrass. I've seen a number of 1/4 of an inch reports. That is just enough to pretty much encase anything that's outside, your car if you're parked outside, bring weaker tree limbs down, cause power outages. We've seen plenty of that. And as well, cause hazardous driving conditions. Now, the highest totals I have seen have been out west towards E-Town and Bardstown, western counties, way out there on the fringe of the LAX 18 viewing area. E-Town and Bardstown, around about 3/10 to, I've seen a few 4/10 to ½ an inch reports out there. It's been lighter here, but it's widespread in the bluegrass, and we are definitely dealing with the impact of it. What does that mean generally as far as how much ice causes problems? Well, if you stay below 1/4 of an inch, yeah, it's a nuisance. You get some slick roads, but it doesn't really generally do much. When you get into that 1/4 of an inch to ½ an inch range, which is what a lot of us have been pushing, that's where you start to see the cars and streets coated, weaker tree limbs coming down, sporadic power outages. So we're just into that territory here. Fortunately, we've held shy of where it could be more hazardous with more widespread issues when you hit that ½ an inch to 3/4 of an inch range, which was looking like we could. So we've managed to avoid that. And of course, the epic, historic ice storms of our past, 03 and 09, that was up to and over an inch of ice. Thank goodness those don't happen very often. And how do you measure it? Well, get out there with a ruler. You got to exclude the tree branch. You can't count that in the thickness. So you count the thickest part of the ice that's accumulated and then the thinnest part. Add those two numbers together, divide them by 2, and that gives you your general ice accumulation there. I had about 2/10 of an inch at my house this morning.